Makiaria thutha wa kĩgomano gĩa thikũ igĩrĩ kĩrĩa gĩtabanĩtio kauntĩ-inĩ ya Migori, aikarĩri gĩtĩ ya ikundi cia gũtetera ihoto cia ciana kuma kauntĩ-inĩ ya Migori na Homa Bay Fawe nĩ mateterithĩtie itanya rĩao harĩ kũhũrana na ihiko cia tene na wohi wa nda kũrĩ airĩtu anini, oro hamwe na ciĩko cia kũruithia airĩtu.
Fanya mikutano hata ya wanaume, boys and men. Wasichana wetu walikuwa labda wana drop kutoka kwa shule, ukiona mambo na teenage pregnancies zilikuwa zinatokana na hayo. Kwa sababu msichana wakati alipokuwa akipelekwa pale anaambiwa kwamba you have to test. Na unajua yeye ni mtoto bado waga ana mawazo, anafanya kulingana na culture. Lakini hawa wamejaribu kupitia na sisi tumefanya barasa nyingi tu katika mashinani pale. Tumeelimisha watoto wetu na sasa hivi wasichana wanajua rights zao.
Maugĩte gũkuruhania arũme mbara-inĩ ĩno nĩguo gũteithĩrĩria hanene na ũnyitanĩri ũyũ wa athuri na atumia nĩ kũnyita itemi rĩnene harĩ gũkinyanĩria itanya rĩao rĩa gũtambia mathomo na ũmenyo ũyũ kũrĩ mũingĩ.
That incorporating men into the work of reducing teen pregnancy has been very positive, because we have had these schools where boys are with a high percentage of reduction of rate of teen pregnancy. We have realized that the boys are in a better place of talking to their sisters to allow them even go back to school after getting pregnant.
Thuthuria wa ica ikuhĩ wonanĩtie namba ya airĩtu arĩa matũnganaga na ciĩko ici nĩ inyihĩte na gĩkĩro kĩnene kuma mwaka wa 2022 gũkinyanĩria mwaka wa 2023 na gũkinyanĩria rĩu gĩkundi gĩkĩ nĩ kĩrĩkĩtie kũhonokia airĩtu 16 mwena ũyũ.
2023, that is the aftermath of COVID. As at per now, the re-entry that we have had are 16 girls who have been re-entered, but we are following the cases of 8 who are still following up, because of, we are working with the champions, the community champions, to make sure that we reach those girls and the caretakers.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wairimu wa Njuguna.
And discuss and talk